Sup, bro?
Hi.
What are you doing?
Robbing you?
Oh, cool. Yeah, I'll show you where she keeps her jewelry. Oh! Get sauced! Oh, so it's that kind of night, huh? No, bro, let's go!